Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to have some fun drawing Wolverine and Deadpool. So, grab your paper, pencil, and markers, and let's get started. First up, we'll tackle Wolverine. Remember, he's a superhero, so let's give him some muscles and a fierce expression. Start with a basic outline. Then don't forget to give him those iconic claws. Let's move on to Deadpool. He's a little more quirky, so have fun with his facial features and his red and black outfit. Remember, Deadpool is a bit of a joker, so his expression should reflect that. superhero drawing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.